Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to move your photos in your album. Now right here, I'm currently inside my Facebook account right there. This is how it should look like, right? Now to go here, if you can't really go to your profile, go to the upper left section. This one right there. Now go to photos, perfectly right here. So we're gonna have a few options to make this photos to album option, alright? So right there on the right section, you can see add photos. You can add photos to your section right here. Now to add them, you can click a specific photo you want to add your album to. So you can either go on the three dots right there, wait for it to load up, and there should be an option here to move to album. Now you cannot have it right here just yet, because this is a professional account, but you should see it right here. Other option for you guys is album. Click create album for this one and basically add your photos that you want to on this new album. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.